Hey, this is Jason, and my new friend is Eugene. He has his own TV show where he has math talk. Here you go. It's math time with Eugene!
Thank you, guys. Thank you. It really means a lot. Hello, everyone. It's time for Math Time with Eugene. Should I use an eraser? Let's get started. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to find the area of a triangle. Now, that was driving me crazy. But if you were to cut off the top, it would be a rhombus. We're not talking about a rhombus today. So just erase the line and connect at the top. And then you have a triangle. Now, the area of a triangle is solved by this simple formula. Listen carefully. 4/8 times pi equals the equilateral triangle of the upside down hypotenuse times the height times the width. The width is a very important math term that you'll learn in advanced calculus pre. Now, if you don't get to that high level of calculus, then you will just remember width as you have the width over here. You want to box it so you don't forget it. There's a lot of H's here. You don't want to get caught up in the terminology because then you'll have the width in a box and the height in another box and the upside down hypotenuse and a third box. Now, if you don't have 3 boxes, then it gets really confusing. If you have 3, it's fine. You just number the boxes, and if you forget which one, just remember that 1 equals, they're both 1. The width and the height are both 1 because they are the same thing. Oops. I wasn't supposed to reveal that yet. Okay, so you get the height of the triangle, and this is a 180-degree angle. So that means that this is a 200-degree angle, and that this is a 360-degree angle because it is almost a circle. So a circle is 400 degrees Celsius. Look. You draw another circle inside it, and that's called the radius. The diameter is 2 circles inside the big circle. The third one that I drew was the circumference of the circle, and this is the area. Now, once you have drawn your square around the width and the height, you will now begin equating. Now, you put the width right there, box 1, plus the height, box 1, minus the upside down hypotenuse, box 3, equals h in a box times 16. So if you get 16 instead of 5, you did it wrong. Box H5. Now, you're gonna have to remember the box H5 because I'm erasing this stuff. If you didn't get it, oh well, I will explain it later. Now, we have the box H5 right here, and the height of this triangle is approximately 10 inches plus the base, which is 2 feet, equals the 360 degrees that you had from the top. 360 degrees. Now, we don't know if it's Celsius or Fahrenheit yet. To find if it's Celsius or Fahrenheit, you have to take the 360 degrees divided by the 10 foot plus 2 inches, and h in a box 5 divided by 11. Now, this is a very complex inversion factor that we have no time for. Now, we will forget that and say that the answer is Celsius, because we have been doing this for all of our lives, like everyone else has done that, right? Now, so it's Celsius, I think, and the 360 degrees Celsius means that it is actually very, very cold. If it's very cold triangle, then it has no one to keep it warm at night, and no one to hold it when it's alone, and to wipe away the tears that you cry yourself to sleep at night with. And it's probably a very depressed triangle too. So you just gotta feel for the guy, right? Right? And not shove it into a locker or give it a whirly or make fun of their glasses or the TV show that he runs or his nasally voice. I'm bad, guys. Sorry about that. It was just a lonely triangle. Tear mark. Now, we're going to draw a square and say that this is actually the area of the triangle, because if you cut that in half, then it's actually the triangle, only half of this. And so if this half is this half, then this half is this half, and though both of them are the triangle. So that means if we combine the two areas of the triangles right here, then we will get the area of the big triangle right here, since both of these triangles are actually this one. And so if we get the two triangles from the square, then we actually get pi. And then we put that pi in a box and ship it to my house. What pie, you say? Apple pie! Because who doesn't like apple pie? Apple pie! And that is the area of the triangle. Apple pie!